What does it say?
It's a heart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for Mom?
Yeah. It's a duck.
Here, write it on there, because that way it's easier. Or here, go like this. That way you have a whole blank piece. You write her a letter?
Okay.
It says, Dear Mom.
Dear Mommy, I missed you before when I came home. When I came home, I will miss you for a long, long time ago. And there's no way. Well, some days I will miss you, Mommy. There's no way you could write, but someday you could learn to write. But I miss you for a long, long time ago. Sometimes I miss you. That's what it says.
I bet she's really going to like that letter. Should we send it to her?
Yeah.